guys, what's up? This is Prachi and today I'm super excited to talk about the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. Now, I have seen a lot of international bloggers talk about it for a really long time and I was just waiting for it to launch in India, guys, because this product always seemed like such a game changer to me. It has so many uses. I'll talk about that a little bit more in detail later. But here's an interesting thing about this oil, the most interesting thing, okay? It claims to be an oil, the word used is oil, but it actually is more like a serum. Let me just show this to you. Just take a little bit of this product, apply it all over your hair, just don't apply it on your roots, okay? And once you're done applying this, do you see it is such a lightweight formula. It does not feel sticky, does not feel greasy on the hair at all, which is so amazing. So if you want to know what this product is all about and how I like to use it personally, well, just keep watching this video, guys, to find out. So guys, let me start by talking about the packaging. It comes in a nice, chic, sleek, golden bottle like this, and as you can see, it's a pump bottle, which obviously makes the application really easy because like I just told you, you need to use just a little bit of this formula. It's priced at rupees 499 for a 100 ml bottle. The one which I'm showing you is a 100 ml bottle, and I think this bottle personally will last me for a very long time because I've been using it for quite a while and I've just used this much. So yes, that was about the packaging. Talking about the product claims, where it claims to give your hair intense nutrition and shine while also protecting your hair against 4 biggest aggressions. These 4 biggest aggressions include humidity, which obviously helps to cut frizz and keep the hair smoother. It also claims to prevent UV damage, heat damage, and prevent hair fall from breakage by up to 98%. The ingredients include 6 flower oils combining lotus, tiar, rose, flax, chamomile and sunflower, which makes your hair healthier and manageable. Now, before I start talking about the different ways in which I like to use this product and what it does for me, let me first tell you what my hair situation, my hair condition currently is like, okay? Now, naturally, I have straight hair, but because I tend to keep my hair tied up, whenever I open my hair, this is how it gets. It gets like all weird and wavy in different ways, and I do tend to have these little curls at the bottom, which I hate so much. Like, I've had my hair curling at the bottom, just a few strands, okay? It tends to get like all curly at the bottom, which looks so annoying. I really don't like that, okay? So this was one thing, and another problem which I have with my hair consistently is that my hair tends to get like a little frizzy and dry and gets tangled up very easily because my hair strands are like really thin. It gets tangled up very easily. So when I got this product for the first time, that is what I really wanted to check it for, because like I just said, you know, it's an oil, but it feels more like a serum because it's non-sticky, non-greasy, so you can actually apply it and keep it on, right? That's what it's supposed to do. So I really checked it out, and this is the first use that I want to talk about because I know frizzy, dry, tangled hair is a big problem for a lot of you. So let's look at the first awesome way to use this product. So let me show this shot to you up close. This is how my hair looks on most of the days when I haven't done anything extra to my hair. It tends to get like really tangled, which can make combing through a little difficult, and obviously it looks a little messy as well. So just gonna take a little bit of the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum here, and you just have to take a few pumps, spread it across your palms and apply it to the lengths of the hair like I am doing. Don't have to apply to the roots, just apply it all over nice and good. And let me show this shot to you before and after shot. So as you can see, the hair instantly feels smooth, healthy and frizz free, which is so amazing, guys. Just applying this and instantly the hair starts looking better. And obviously combing through becomes a lot easier because the hair is less tangled, it's more manageable, which is so awesome. So I applied this the other day. These shots that you just saw, I actually took these shots the other day, and then I took a few shots throughout the day to just see how the hair is looking, you know, on my phone. So let me just show this to you. So after 2 hours of applying the product, this is how the hair was looking. It was still looking shiny, nice, frizz free, much more manageable than before. After about 6 hours, this is how the hair was looking. So as you can see, still pretty good. After about 8 hours of applying the product, this is how the hair was looking. So it's still not really tangled up, as you can see, which, trust me, is saying a lot because like I just told you, my hair is like really thin. It's very fine, thin hair, okay? So it tends to get like tangled up and all that very fast, especially if it's feeling dry and frizzy. So this is something which helps tremendously on all of those days when the hair is just in a bad mood and I just want my hair to look a little manageable, a little easier to work with. Another great way to use this product, like this is a very useful thing for me personally, is to use this to protect your hair against heat damage. So if you're using curling irons, straightening wands, or even before blow drying, you can actually use this, right? So I'll just talk about how I use this before straightening, before going ahead with the hair straightener. So let me show you my hair once again. So this is how my hair tends to look on a regular day, right? Now this is how my hair was looking today morning. So as you can see, all the weird curls and waves and everything, and this little curl at the bottom, I just hate how it sticks out. It's so bad to look at, okay? I know I'm saying this again, it just kind of really bothers me when I look at it, okay? So let me show you how to use this product if you have a similar problem like mine. So just gonna take a little bit of the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum, and just gonna take a few pumps, apply it all through the length of my hair. And here's a quick thing, guys. Like I just showed you, it actually detangles the hair. Now, ideally, when you're straightening your hair, this is ideally, okay, when you're straightening your hair, this is how you're supposed to straighten your hair. Just take a comb, okay, and then over the comb hold your straightener and then go ahead with it. Okay, this is how you're supposed to use a straightener. However, because it detangles the hair so well, you don't have to use a comb. Like, at least for me, I don't have to, because it instantly detangles my hair. So I just go ahead, straighten my hair, and let me show you this before after clip. This is how the hair looks after straightening. So straightening obviously works, right, because it gives you that nice chic look, like nice polished look. But apart from that, I also love the fact that it adds the shine to my hair. So I obviously did this process today morning, and then I took these clips through the day. So this was a 2-hour later shot, and then again I took another shot after about 6 hours. After about 8 hours, which was just a while ago, like before I started filming the video, I just took this other shot. So this was just a while ago, after 8 hours of straightening my hair. As you can see, the hair still looks nice, shiny, and well behaved, like it's looking right now. So I love how my hair looks after straightening, and I love the fact that this protects the hair against all the heat damage. Now obviously, I don't straighten my hair every single day. Personally, I straighten my hair once in a while when I'm going out somewhere. Off late, I'm not really going out anywhere. So for me these days, it's more about the days when I'm filming my videos. But I'm just gonna tell you this, guys, that see, we all love using things to style the hair, be it blow drying, be it curling wands, straightening wands, things like that. It's very important to make sure that your hair is protected well, and I love the fact that it protects the hair, because the hair still continues to look healthy even after so many hours. That says something. So yes, guys, that's all I wanted to share in today's video. These are the different ways in which I like to use it. And of course, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, of course, like I mentioned in the video as well, this can be used by all hair types. So even if you don't have straight hair like mine, if you have curly hair, if you have wavy hair, if you have extremely curly hair, you can still use it. Of course, your usage will be different. Probably you might want to use it for different reasons, but I just wanted to show you my reasons of using it and how I like to use it. Personally, I have been waiting for this product to launch in India for so long, and when I got my hands on this, I was like, I have to try it out. I have to do a video. I have to tell my viewers about it, if it works, if it doesn't work. And so far it's been working beautifully for me. So it's just something like that. And also one more thing, just one last thing I want to mention. I feel that this is also a great product to carry when you're traveling, because one product has so many uses. Like, you don't have to carry a separate serum, you don't have to carry a separate hair styling tool, hair protection tool. It just kind of does the job of so many things, right? So anyways, I'll put the link in the description box below. I think I've covered all the things that I want to talk about. There were a lot of things which I wanted to say today. It's a game changer, like it's a hair game changer, seriously. But if I've missed out any points, if you want to know, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below what you have, what your questions are. I'll try my best to get back to you guys, try my best to help you with your answers. And if you have tried this product already, let me know in the comment section below how your experience has been, what you think about it, how it worked for you, and things like that, and how you like to use it. So yes, guys, that's what I wanted to share in today's video. These were all the things that I want to talk about. While you're checking out the links, while you're writing your comments, don't forget to share a little love, give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Super Style for more, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.